It's really not that special.
What you see everywhere. Are you free to take a walk with me on a nice night, moonlit, neon white delight? What's to talk about?
Guys, so we made it to the island. This is Nadia. And we're walking to the beach now.
Arms are shaking everywhere. I believe I am right where.
Guys, we made it to the beach! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Success!
Yes.
To walk me home.
Hi guys, so right now we're trying to start a fire to make our lunch. It's going pretty well.
You're far. A little frustration and then I know.
The fire. And now Nadia's cooking and Lydia, Crystal and I are watching.
To a step and a jump to the left and a step into the world.
Right now we're exploring while the rest do work. Because we're useless. Let me flip to Lydia. Lydia! What's that? Oh no, litter.
Right where I belong. You leave us all, watch out with little legs to walk me home. To walk me home.
Hi guys, so we reached the jetty already and story time. Nadia and Alicia got left behind, so we have to wait for them.
Yeah.
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 Hi.
Guys, Alicia bought Mr. Coconut. Woo!
Hi guys, this is Lydia editing. I thought I'd just slip in a little clip of the cake that I baked because I'm actually really proud of it, and it took me like 3 or 4 hours to do it, and it turned out to be really nice. So yeah, thank you for watching guys.